In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a text box in Google Docs. If you want to highlight a quote, create a label, or place text in a more flexible way inside your document, adding a text box is a simple and useful option. Google Docs doesn't place a text box directly onto the page the same way some other programs do, so the feature is added through the drawing tool. I'll walk you through the whole process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by going to the top menu in Google Docs and clicking Insert. From that drop-down menu, choose Drawing and then click New. This opens the drawing window, which is where you'll create the text box before placing it into your document. If you've never used this tool before, don't worry, it's straightforward and only takes a moment. Once the drawing window appears, look for the text box icon. It usually looks like a capital T inside a box. Click that icon to activate the text box tool. This tells Google Docs that you want to draw a space where your text will go. Next, click and drag your mouse inside the drawing window to create the text box. As you drag, you'll define the size of the box. Try to make it large enough for the text you plan to add, although you can always adjust it later if needed. This step gives you control over the shape and placement before it goes into the document. After drawing the box, type your text directly inside it. You can enter a title, a short note, a call out, or any content you want to stand out from the rest of the page. Take a second to make sure everything looks right inside the box before moving on. When you're done, click Save and Close. This is the button that inserts your completed drawing into the document. As soon as you do that, the text box will appear in your Google Doc. At this point, the text box is now inserted into your document and ready to use. You can click on it if you need to reposition it or make changes. This method is especially helpful when you want more visual control over text placement in Google Docs. And that's it. That's how to insert a text box in Google Docs quickly and easily.